Bw'Abaorikia abo basingerere buna bali gochikoiranera emeremo yabo honya serikali teri gochia kobwatoka chibesa chionsi nabo igo kwene kiamba chikuikirania emeroberio yabo yokobwatoka chisemi ase CHIUNIVERSITY aiga Kenya.
Issue now of 2017-2021, which is an old issue relating to the amounts that should have been paid then, where the universities and SRC are saying they've already paid it through the salary annual increments for those years, and there is probably an issue of what is the balance, but the WASO and KUSU are insisting they are owed 7.9 billion. That's the discussion now that is going on. KUDEA has already called off the strike. Once they got that court order, they obeyed the court order and they have since called off the strike. However, some of the universities are still going on. They could be, I haven't gotten today's report and yesterday's, but it's not all the universities who are on strike. Some are going on with learning, some are learning hybrid, some are online, etc., etc. But we are trying to ensure that that issue is resolved as soon as possible.